Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing some examples of stocks that are that you might have bought using this indicator, and then you have to decide to sell at some point, right? So I'll be able to explain you how to uh, sell the stocks. So, but just before that, I'll just show you one example of one stock just that has gone up since the buy signal has come. So here you see here there is a buy signal here. So assume that you might have bought this stock using the indicator. So in close to little more than a year, so you might have gained 95 percentage or maybe 100 percentage, whichever way you want to see it. So this is just an example of how you get benefit out of this indicator. The second one is how to sell or when to sell the stock. Just an as an example, I'm just taking one particular stock here, Choice International. Currently, there is no sell signal, but if you see here, there is a couple of partial sell signal. Assume that there is a partial sell signal back to back, or maybe even one partial sell signal. You have to be ready with a prolonged time where the stock may be range bound. So you have to assume that way. Or what you can do is, if you find any other ideas, you sell here, you sell the stock, and then you go buy the other stock where you think there will be a higher chance of momentum. So this is one way of selling the stock. The second way is, for example, I'm just giving an example here. So here, assume that you bought it here, and then there is a sell signal. So you sell it here, and then you exit. So you just don't come until again the stock comes to your radar. So this is just an example. So here, this is another example where there is a there is a buy signal, and then there is a sell signal here. So you sell it, and then you don't come until there is a clear buy signal that is coming up. So once a clear buy signal comes up, you might have seen your stock going up with the momentum. Of course, there are multiple places where the buy signal comes, and then you have to wait for the sell signal. So you wait for the sell signal and then sell it. So at some point, what you can do, what you may experience is, by using this indicator, you may experience some down in the market. Like, for example, if there is no momentum in the market or momentum in the stock, you will find like a 5 or 10 percentage correction from where you have bought. So you may have to sell it at loss. Just be ready with selling the stock at like 10 at least 20 percentage loss. So you don't have to stick to the stock forever, and you know when to sell and just exit the stock if it is not performing. So that's how you have to use the indicator. And if you have any questions, comments, reach out to me. And you have my email ID. You can reach out to me through email. And yeah, good luck.